Welcome back to my channel. My name is Samira. Thank you so much for always stopping by to watch my tutorials. I'm grateful. So guys, I'll be sharing with you how I made this unique basket waistline, and it's a harmless sleeve, and I'm using 2 years of this touchless material to achieve this style. Please give this video more watch time, subscribe, like, comment. You can also share it with your loved ones. Please ask them to also watch this particular tutorial down to the end, and you can also turn your notification bell to get notified so that you can see my new tutorial whenever I upload new tutorial on my channel. You'll be the first to see it and watch and learn from it. So I'm using 2 years of this duchess material to achieve this style. Is a pink color, and so keep on watching so that you can see the fitness of this outfit that I'm making today. So if you're interested in this kind of style, please keep on watching, and let's get started now with our tutorial for today, guys. So I'm making basket waistline. Is harmless, and it's going to also have gathers at the bottom. So I'm trying to fold my fabric so that I can start with my measurement. You can see how unique the fabric is. Is the latest Duchess material. You can see how beautiful it is. So let me just fold it out so that we can get started now with our measurements that we are going to use for today's tutorial. So please keep on watching to the end, guys. So this is my upper piece that I'm making first. Okay, so I folded it into two. So I'll just go ahead now to take the length of my upper piece, which is 19 inch. All right, so after that I'll just draw a straight line for that. Okay, so don't forget I'm making basket waistline. It's going to have gathers at the bottom. So my width is by 11 inch. Okay, it's a simple style that I'm making today. So I'll just mark my neckline, which is by 3 inch. My depth is by 2 inch, and is a round neck. Okay, so I'll just give a curve for the round neck. So I'm going to mark my shoulder by 7 inch. Don't forget he's harmless. So I'm going to mark my shoulder. I'm marking it by 7 inch. So I'll draw a straight line. Please keep on watching this particular tutorial down to the end so that you can see the fitness of the outfit that we are making today. So I'm going to use 1 inch to slope my shoulder. Okay, so I'll just connect the lines together. All right, don't forget I'm making the upper piece first for my basket waistline. So I'm going to measure 15 inch from my half length. All right, so that's my half length, which is 15 inch. So I'll just draw a straight line. Okay, so now is my bust measurement. My bust, I'm going to measure 36 inch, and also add 1 inch for my stitching allowance. All right, so my bust is by 36 inch. Then I'll add 1 inch for my sewing allowance. Okay, so I will just curve my armhole now. I'm using my ruler to do that. So that's my armhole now. So I'm going to mark 28 inch for my waistline, and also add 1.5 inch for my stitching allowance. Okay, so you can see how simple it is to cut this basket waistline that I'm making today. So I'll connect all my lines together. Just connect it down. So remember, my waistline is basket, so I'm going to mark 4 inch from the bottom line to my half length. Then I will give it a sharp V and cut. So you can see how simple it is. So please just follow the procedure that I'm using to cut it out. So you are going to cut your own after watching this particular tutorial down to the end, guys. So I'm making the upper piece now, so I'm cutting. Please give this video more watch time. You can also subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new tutorial on my channel. You'll be the first to see it and also watch and learn from it. Like this particular video, please you can share it with your loved ones. Ask them to also watch this particular tutorial down to the end so that you guys can support this channel to grow. I also have other tutorials on my channel that you can also watch. Please let's cut the next piece now, which is the second piece. All right, the back of it. So I'll just fold it. It's very simple. Then I'll just add my zipper allowance, and I'm using 1 inch for the zipper allowance. Okay, so my zipper allowance is 1 inch. Okay, so now I'm cutting the back piece of my basket waistline. Okay, so guys, keep on watching and we are going to see the fitness of this outfit that we are making now. So I'm going to bring down the back of my neckline by 1 inch. So after that, I'll just cut it out. You can see how simple it is. So I'm cutting the back piece. Remember, I'm using the front piece to lay on the back piece to cut it out. It's very simple, and you can see how funny the camera is. I'm sorry about that. The color is actually pink color, so my camera has changed the color now. Please, I'm sorry about that, but don't forget the color is pink color, very unique color, and the Duchess material that we are using is the latest one in the market. Very unique and beautiful. So please keep on watching to the end so that you can see the style that we are making. It's very simple basket waistline and is harmless also. So keep on watching, and don't forget, like I said, you can support this channel by watching this particular tutorial down to the end, and you can also ask your loved ones to also watch it after sharing it with them down to the end so that you guys can support my channel, please. So this is the fabric that I'm using to complete the length of my dress. Okay, so I'll just go ahead now to take the length of the fabric, which is 17 inch. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll take it to the machine, I'll run a stitch on it. Then I'm going to also show you guys how I'm going to drag it so that it will gather out. Okay, so I've run my stitch on it. So what I'll do now, I'll just drag the thread out. So I'm going to drag it out and start to gather it. So this is what I'm going to use to complete the length of my basket waistline that I'm making today. You can see how beautiful it is. So just watch me how I'm going to drag it out so that it will gather. So after that, I'll just attach it to my basket waistline and my dress will be ready. I'm going to wear it out for you guys to see the fitness. So you can see I've gathered it out. So I just want to take it to my sewing machine to attach it to my dress. So you are going to see the fitness now. This is the final look of my basket waistline, guys. Very unique, neat, simple, elegant, and you can wear it out to any occasion of your choice. Very unique style that we just made today. I hope you understood it, guys, and if you don't understand it, please you can watch it again and again so that you can learn how to cut it on your own. Please don't forget to give this video more watch time. You can also subscribe, like, comment. You can also share it with your loved ones. Please ask them to also watch this particular tutorial to the end for you guys to support my channel to grow, guys. Please you can also turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new tutorials like this. Please you can also check my other tutorials on my channel now.